Let me show you how we can charge CMF Phone 2 Pro. So if you are wondering if you can use a wireless charger, then unfortunately the answer is no. The only way to charge this phone is by using the wired method, so that is with the USB cable. Now, in order to charge the phone, you can connect the device to any other device that provides power through the USB cable. So for example, if you don't have a charger or power adapter yet, then you can use, let's say, a computer, because computers usually through the USB port provide power, and we can charge our phone like this. So this is a valid method that allows you to charge the phone until you actually get the charger or power adapter, because this is still the recommended way and also the fastest way to charge the device. Of course, there are also like power supplies, power banks, etc. They can, of course, charge your phone, but the general idea is to get the charger or power adapter. You don't even have to use the original nothing charger. For example, in my case, I have Xiaomi charger that has even a different charging port. Over here, as you can see, we have USB type A, so it is not compatible with the original USB cable that we have inside the box of the phone. Therefore, I need to also use a different cable, and it works anyway. So I can just connect the cable to the charger. There we go, and let's just connect the phone like this. And there we go, we are now charging our device. So this is how we can charge our phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!